Blessings to you all. Zita rangu ndinaitwa Pastor Mhako from Spirit Life Church International. We fellowship at Avonlea Primary School near Greencroft Shops in Harare. You are welcome to join us every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Ndichaverenga shoko la Mwari from the book of 2 Kings chapter 3 verse number 16 and 17. And he said, "Thus says the Lord, make this valley full of ditches. For thus says the Lord, you shall not see wind, nor shall you see rain, yet that valley shall be filled with water, so that you, your cattle, and your animals may drink." May God bless the reading of his holy word. Today's word, ndapa title yekuti water without rain. Ukaverenga 2 Kings chapter number 3, Bible rinotizivisa kuti Moab rebelled against Israel nekuramba kubhadhara tax. Zvino Joram mambo wa Israel ndo paanokumbira Jehoshaphat mambo wa Judah, ndokukumbira zvakare mambo wa Edom kuti vanorwa naMoab. Bible rinoti vakafamba 7 days murenje and they ran out of water. There was nothing for them or the animals to drink. Israel was now in a desperate situation, and in a bid to get help, they decided to approach the man of God Elisha. Kunyangwe vari kuenda kuhondo, vakaziva kuti pavasvika hapachada masoja pakuda munhu waMwari. Kudzidza vakadzidza, pari pazvasvika apa hapachada degree kana masters pakuda munhu waMwari. Yes, experience unayo, but pazvasvika apa hapachada experience pakuda munhu waMwari. Ma connections unawo, but pawasvika apa hapachada ma connections pakuda munhu waMwari. Elisha anoti kwavari, cherai makoronga, hakuna mhepo ichavhuvhuta, hakuna mvura ichanaya, asi muchaona mvura yakazara. Anoti, you will see neither wind nor rain, but you will have an abundance of water. Ladies and gentlemen, it didn't make any sense that there was going to be an abundance of water without rain in the midst of a desert. Vachimuka mangwanani, the Bible says vakaona mvura yakazara iko kusina kunaya. Urikuona here kuti God supplied all the water that was needed by both men and animals. Kune mamwe ma situation aunosangana nawo muupenyu ekuti unozvibvunza kuti panobudika here apa. Unotarisa all angles, but woshaya kuti zvingagadzirika sei. Ndauya kuzokudza kuti paunoperera Mwari ndo paanotangira. God can do things that are beyond human comprehension. Uchida kutenga stand, but mari yako isiri kukwana. Tina Mwari unoburitsa mvura nepaisingatarisirwe. He can cause the stand to find you. He can make the right people knock on your door and bring you the good news that you are looking for. Warwara kana kurwarirwa, mari yekurapwa pasina. Our God is supernatural. He can heal you without treatment. Ladies and gentlemen, tina Mwari anoburitsa mvura nepaisingatarisirwe. Water without rain. Anokupa basa rausina kuaplya. Usina mari agokupa mota yausina kutenga. Nditerere zuva ranhasi, pane zvakuzoitwa naMwari pamusoro pelife yako. Hazvisi kuzoitika nenzira yawakajaira. Vamwe venyu muchatanga kurarama life inodarika salary yaunotambira. The Lord that I serve is going to open new doors for you. He is going to cause opportunities to find you. That miracle yauri kuexpecta, hakuna mhepo yauchaona, hakuna mvura ichanaya, asi uchaona makoronga akazara mvura. Your situation may seem impossible, but God has his divine ways of bringing you out. He has ways that you have never thought of or imagined with your natural mind. You think natural, but God is supernatural. The fact that you are in a desert does not stop God from intervening. Right now you may say, Pastor, hamusi kuziva zvandakatarisana nazvo. Yes, you may be in a desert that is very dry, It looks permanent, as if nothing will ever change. But I've come to tell you, to get ready. Water is about to flow into your desert. Mwari avalimitwe nezvausina, avavhundutsirwe nekukura kwesituation yako. Kana vakagona kusika denga nenyika nekungotaura izwi chete, vanoziva how to turn around your situation. Hakuna mhepo ichavhuvhuta, hakuna mvura ichanaya. It's not going to happen in an ordinary way, but believe you me, uchaona mvura yakazara. Usiri qualified for that position. Uchitarisira kuti zvichaitirwa vamwe, uchaona wapiwa basa iroro. Uchifunga kuti wakashata, uchifunga kuti hauna nokuda nekuti makore afamba, our God is supernatural. He is going to send the right person to you and bring happiness into your life. God is about to shock you in a way that is unexplainable. It is going to be the divine favor of God at work in your life. Vanhu vachakubvunza kuti ko wapabuda sei. Vachakubvunza kuti wazvigona sei. Vachakubvunza kuti ko wapukunyuka sei. You are going to tell them that it is the favor of God. I prophesy that your miracle is coming. You are not going to see the wind nor rain, but you will have an abundance of water. It will not make sense. That miracle you are expecting is not going to be ordinary. It is not going to happen a normal way. There will be no explanation, because it is going to be the favor of God. Get ready. Water without rain is about to flow in your desert. Promotion without qualification is coming. A house is coming even when you don't have enough resources to buy it. But because God has stepped into your life. Like the Israelites, you are going to see water without rain. God is about to do things you cannot explain. You shall experience unusual favor and breakthroughs. Your time for water without rain is now. Water is about to flow into your dry situation. God is about to do things you cannot explain. Uncommon miracles are coming your way. If God brought water without rain, He will bring healing without medicine. That legal situation, that financial setback, and that sickness is not the end of your story. God will make a way where there is no way. Where there is lack in your life, God is bringing abundance in unexpected ways. Look to Him and Him alone, and you will soon be standing in streams of water without rain. God bless you.